Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sadia.
I am Anna. We are from 8th standard, Hyderabad High School.
Now we are going to present a seminar on force. Do you know what is force?
No.
Force is a pull or a push or both.
There are two types of force.
Contact force, field force. Contact force. The force which results when there is a direct physical contact between two interacting objects is known as contact force. Again, contact force is divided into four parts. Normal force, force of friction, muscular force, tension. Normal force. The force which acting perpendicularly to the movement of the object is known as normal force. Force of friction. The force which opposes when there is the force which opposes relative motion of two surfaces of two bodies which are in contact is known as force of friction. Muscular force. The force which exerted by using our body muscles is known as muscular force. Tension. It is a feeling of tightness in a rope or a stick, etc.
Do you know field force?
No.
Field force plays around the object when the force is felt. Again, field force is divided into three parts. Magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force. Magnetic force, attraction or repulsion between two magnets, is known as magnetic force. Gravitational force, force of attraction between two bodies in the universe, is known as gravitational force. Electrostatic force, the force is exerted by charged body on another charged or uncharged body, is known as electrostatic force.
Thank you.